everybody. Today's Hot Wheels unboxing is brought to you by, surprise, surprise, A&J Toys. There's the website. What we're unboxing today will be available again at A&J Toys, as is a bunch of basic cases, and you name it. It's all there, but this is the box we are opening today. It says Hot Wheels. You know what it is because you looked at the title of the video. That's why you came here. But you can get all of this information if you want to. This is Team Transport. This will be a very, very quick, very, very simple, and very unsurprising unboxing. But this is going to speak to what these assortments look like. These have not hit stores yet. I know everyone is asking when it's going to be. It should be very, very soon. Hobby dealers do have them, like A&J Toys. That's how this one was sent to me. But you want to know what to expect if one of these boxes shows up at your store or on your pegs or whatever. So here we go. As you can see, 4 models or 4 packages in each case. We're just going to pull these out right now. These are packed in, whoa, nice and tight. These assortments will be the same. No surprises. What you're going to find in your case at your store will be exactly the same. So here they are, all 4. We start with this. This is the 1969. Here, let's just make this a little easier. 1969 Nissan Skyline van with the carry-on. We've done this showcase before. You have seen it. Man, these are cool. Every time I open them, it's just wow, wow, wow. And I have them sitting right here in my displays, and I still open up this package and just kind of get all giddy about it. This is the number 3 model of the set. The number 2 is another gem. My goodness. Nissan Laurel 2000 SGX with the Sakura Sprinter. You can look at the artwork. You can look at the package. I'll show you the back. You've already seen all this because we did this unboxing already, or we did the packaging and unpackaging. Now, here's how the package, this is how this first assortment is done. This is the number 1 set. It's the Porsche 356 Speedster with the Volkswagen Transporter T1 pickup with the Magnus Walker Deco. And there's 1 and 2. Every case will have 2 of these. One of the Greddy Laurels and one of the Advan Skyline vans. And you might say to yourself, well, wouldn't these 2 Japanese ones be a little more popular? Not necessarily. In some places, yes. In other places, the Porsche and the VW will be more popular. But Hot Wheels made this calculation and went with the 2 VWs. Now, that being said, the next assortment, if I remember correctly, will have 3 new sets plus, I think, actually, I could be wrong. One of these. It's either the Advan Skyline or the Laurel with the Sakura Sprinter. I think it's the Advan Skyline. Don't quote me on this, but what I have been told is that while you get the repeat of the Porsche in this case, the next case will have an additional one of these. There'll be 3 new sets plus 1 each of, I believe, the Advan Skyline. That means that if you didn't get this time around, you will get a chance to get it the next time around. Hot Wheels knows how popular these will be with collectors, and is going to make sure there is enough to get around for everyone. Does that help? There you go. That is as simple of an unboxing as there is. 3 sets plus an additional one. That's what to look forward to. There's your unboxing. It's got to be in stores soon. I'm imagining it's more a matter of minutes or days than it is weeks. So it'll be soon. Thanks, everybody. More to come. Bye.